Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Today inshallah we'll discuss future simple part 2. Here the timeline. This is the future. This is future simple. It starts from here to here. So again future starts from here to here. I will go to school. Now here I want to make a quick revision. Future simple examples. I will go to the market tomorrow. They will travel to Canada next week. Students will study hard for the exam. As we said before that, future simple starts with subject, then will, then verb as it is without s, without ing, without ed, without anything, just the verb as it is. We called it verb infinitive, okay? Infinitive verb. So I will go to the market tomorrow. They, then will, then travel. Students will study, and so on. So future simple consists of subject plus will plus verb plus object, if we can see. When can we use a future simple? Now pay attention because it's so important. So try to concentrate in this point. Now number one, we have to express prediction or beliefs about future. That's mean I don't have anything in the present, okay, but we will think about the future, what will happen in the future. This is a prediction, okay. For example, number one here, world temperatures will rise. We don't know if it will or not, but just we imagine that the world temperatures will rise. We don't have anything in our hand now in this time, but we think that in the future, okay, world temperatures will rise, but we are not sure. We are not sure. Number two, we have introduced protections with I think. I can say world temperatures will rise, or I think world temperatures will rise. The same. I can say I think world temperatures will rise, and I can omit I think, and I say like this, world temperatures will rise. So I can put I think and I can omit it. Here I omit it, but here I put it. I think the exam will be easy. I can omit I think and I say just the exam will be easy. It's true. But if I put I think, it's correct. Okay? So I can put I think and I can omit it. I think the exam will be easy, or the exam will be easy. Both of them are true. And here the same. World temperatures will rise, or I think world temperatures will rise. Both of them are true. Now, if I want to say that something will not happen in the future, so what shall I do? Here we must put I don't think. Well, why? Because here I have two verbs, think and will be. Okay, so put not here. Use not with this verb, with the first one. Don't touch will. If I have two verbs, then don't touch will. Go to the first verb and put not. Like here, I can't say I think won't. I can't say I think the exam won't. No, it's not true. What shall I do? I will put I don't think the exam will be easy. Okay, so if I have think here, just put don't here and don't touch will. I don't think the exam will be easy. I don't think world temperatures will rise. Okay, so again, we can put think, I think, before the future simple sentence. I think world temperatures will rise. I think the exam will be easy. And I can omit it. I can say world temperatures will rise and the exam will be easy without I think. Both of them are true. This is the first point. The second point, if I want to say that this thing will not happen in the future, will not. So, shall I say I think the exam won't be easy, or I don't think the exam will be easy? No, the second one. I don't think the exam will be easy. Why? Because we have two verbs here. So I must use not with the first verb, not the second. Okay? This is the rule. So here I can say I think. If I think that it will not happen, I will say I don't think and don't touch will. So I don't think it will rain this morning. Think, don't. Okay. Okay, now we can use well, probably, possibly, definitely, or probably, possibly, definitely, won't. And the first one here, when I want to say that something will happen, I say I think. If it will not happen, I say I don't think. It's okay. But here, because I don't have think, so I can say I will. Probably, possibly, definitely, or probably, possibly, definitely, won't. Okay? Again, we can say probably, possibly, definitely, with will at the first, or won't at the end. If I will say that something will happen with these words, again, if you see these words, okay, one of them or all of them, we can put will at the first. But if I want to use won't, then put it at the end. Just with these three words, okay? Will here and won't here with these three words. So you must memorize these words. Okay, this is number one. So why I use these words? To show how certain we are that things will happen. For example, let us see the examples. The teacher thinks we will definitely pass the exam. If I want to say that we definitely won't pass the exam, then won't will be here. Will here, won't here. Okay, we will change the places. Number two, scientists will probably find a solution to this virus. Scientists probably won't find a solution to this virus. So, if I want to use will with these words, here I have this here and this here. So, will first, then probably, here probably first, then won't. Got it or not? Let us do it again. Here I can put think, I think, or I can omit it like here. Here I don't put I think. Here I put I think. So I can put I think or not with future. If I want to say that something will not happen, so I can say I don't think it will rain this morning. Or in this sentence, there is nothing, so I can say world temperatures won't rise. But here, there is I think, so I don't think and don't touch will. Okay? If I have I think, then I put I don't think. If I don't have, there is no I think, so it will be won't. Okay? If I say that something will not happen. Here, if I see one of these words, then I want to say will, put will at the first. If I see these words and I want to say that it will not, then put won't here at the end. Let us see the rule. Subject plus will plus these words, probably, possibly, definitely, plus verb plus object. If I want to say want, then subject, probably, possibly, definitely, want, plus verb plus or. Okay, change the places just with these three words. So memorize them. Memorize them. Will here, want here. Will, the same of apostrophe, double L. And here, when not, the same of want. Okay, the same thing. Now let us see what we have then. Making predictions part 2. Here I will use, why I said to, because I want to use going to, not will. Okay, going to, not will. The same meaning, but here the another picture of future. We can use will, we can use going to. As here, I am going to work. Why I use am? To make ing here. And here, verb as it is, infinitive verb without ing, without ed, without anything. So I can say I will work or I am going to work. Okay, both of them are true. I am going to work and I will work, the same. Am with I. She, he, it with is, going to plus verb, infinitive verb, without is, without ed, without ing. Here we are going to play football. We, they, you with are, then going to play football. So the rule is I with am going to plus verb without is, without ed, without ing. He, she, it with is, with going to, with verb without is, without ed, without ing. And here we, they, you with are plus going to plus verb as it is, without is, without ing, without ed. So again I can say I will work or I am going to work. She will travel or she is going to travel. We will play football or we are going to play football. Don't forget when we shall put not as we took before, after is, after am, after are, after was, after were, after do, after does, after did, after has, after have, and so on. Just try to find these words, then put not after them. Like here in the example. For example, if I want to say put not here, where shall I put it? Yes, after am. And here, after is. And here, after are. So it will be we aren't. She isn't. I am not. Let us see. Here, I am not going to the work. Why? Because I look just about at am. And here is. So I put not after it. And here we aren't going to play football. Again, in apostrophe T, the same with not. Okay, so if I want to put not, just to try to find one of these words, then put not after it. Now how to make questions, I will just discuss today, inshallah, yes, no questions, just yes, no questions. Here in this equation, as we took before, am will be the first, then the subject is first, then the subject are first, then the subject, and the question mark at the end. Like this, am I going to work? Yes, I am. No, I am not. I know that you have a question why we don't change I to you. In future, just in future, we can say that I in the sentence the same, leave it the same, and the question don't change it to you. Okay, so we can put in future, just in future, we can put I as it is in the question. Am I then going to where? Question mark. The answer will be yes, I am, or no, I am not. Not after am. Here she is going to travel. Try to find the answer. Just make yes, no question. Okay, let us see. Here, is she going to travel? The answer will be yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Again, not after is. And the last one, are we going to play football? Question mark. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. And not after I, because we have no. Now, when can we use going to? The same with will. Here we can use to be. Be mean is am are. Okay, be mean is are. Is am are plus going to here plus verb to make protections. The same with will. The same sentence. Where temperatures are going to rise, or where temperatures will rise. The same. Okay, as we took before. We took it before. Where temperatures will rise. Now, where temperatures are going to rise. The same. This is plural, so we put are. This is not one temperature. This is more than one temperature. So, it will be plural. Number 2, this is the different now. This is the difference, sorry. Now, when we are sure about the future, because of something we see in the present. We have something in our hand in present, so it will be sure used it in the future. It will happen in the future. So I am sure here. I am not think, I am sure. Now, if I am sure about something that will happen in the future, then use will. And then don't use will. Why? Because it will be wrong. We must use is, am, are plus going plus to plus verb. Okay, don't use will if we are sure that something will happen in the future. But if I am just think about something will happen or not, I am not sure, then we can use will or is, am, are plus going plus verb, infinitive verb. Like here. Here, we are not sure. We don't know if the world temperatures will rise or not. Then we can say where temperatures are going to rise or where temperatures will rise. We don't know. But here, she is pregnant. She is going to have a baby. She's pregnant. So it's sure that she will have a baby. So I can say will here. I can say that she's going to have a baby. Why? Because she is pregnant. So she's going to have a baby. If you put will have a baby, then it's wrong. Okay? Why? Because we are sure about what will happen in the future. The second one, look at those big black clouds. Then we have black clouds. Then sure, it's going to be a storm or it's going to rain, isn't it? We have black clouds. Then we are sure that something will happen. What it is? There is storm. So we can't say there will be a storm. It's wrong. There is going to be a storm. So again, is, am, are plus going to plus verb, the same with will. If something that we are not sure that if it will happen in the future or not. But if I am sure then about something will happen in the future, then you must put is, am, are plus going to plus verb. Like this, she's pregnant, she's going to have a baby, not will have a baby, because we are sure. There is a big black clouds, then we are sure that there is going to be a storm. Don't use there will be a storm. It will be wrong. That's it. So, that's all. Thank you very much. Inshallah, next class, I will give you exercise, okay, and tasks. Don't worry, everything will be okay, inshallah. Just try to understand it. And now, goodbye.